Okay, so question 1A, is that what you're looking at?
Yeah.
So we can have a look and see the simultaneous, like the trying to find simultaneously the point of intersection by looking at these two table values. Because
so you're trying to find the y-intercept, are you?
you're trying to find you're trying to find a point on the table of values where both the x and the y are the same on both the values, on both the tables.
All right.
Because if both our lines, for example, just look at this for a second. If both our lines met here, that would be our simultaneous point or our point of intersection, yeah? The point where they meet. And so,
yep.
2 and 2. So here on this one, the point of intersection was 2 and 2, yep? And if you draw a table of values, you can see, you'll be able to spot the 2 and the 2. Because if it's 2 on this one and 2 down here, on our second line, it'll also be 2.
Oh, yeah. They're both 0. Sense? It's 0.
So,
and then on the other one, it's
0,
3.
6. Hey, what?
On the y equals 2x.
Oh yeah, they don't have to be the same number. Sorry, they could be. I'll just quickly do.
I thought that's when they should be.
It just has to be. It just has to be the same numbers on both the graphs.
Oh, the same. Oh, right, because the coordinates.
Yeah, same coordinates. Sorry.
So like 2 and 4. Is it the earliest one? So trying to find do you want the earliest one?
Yeah. So 0, 0 doesn't work because on the other side 0 and 6 go together. 1 and 2 doesn't work because then 1 and 5, but 2 and 4 and 2 and 4. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
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 So on these ones on my whiteboard, the ones are 2 and 3 because they are all the same. But these ones here, they're different. So yeah. So it's trying to find where the x and y values are the same on both your tables for both equations. Yeah?
Also, you just circle it, do you? Should I circle them?
You can just write, so when you're writing the answer for simultaneous, you end up in this format, x, y. Because that's a point, yeah? A point, when you label a point, you label it x and y like that. So because we're finding the point of intersection, you can just say 2, what was it? 2 and 4.
2 and 4.
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
So for question B, what would it be?
So yeah, y equals 2. This is so much easier than when I looked at it myself.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that's what you looked at it visually. I thought that maybe I had to do substitution. I couldn't remember how to do that.
So this is graphically. So graphically is just looking at either a table of values or a graph to find the point of intersection. And at the moment, we're looking at the table of values to find the point of intersection. So what would you find for B?
So 3, just writing it, 7. Oh, it actually only wants the answers. Oh, well. My teacher says she only wants the answer. All right, no, I'll just do that then. So.
Oh, not like writing it down.
Yeah, she just wants the answers. So 5 and 3.
Yeah, 3 and 5. Yeah.
3.
Because x, when we're drawing it like this with our as a coordinated point, it's always x first. Yeah.
Yep.
X will always come first.
So then it wants C. Yeah. So 7, 16.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Question 2.
Now, question 2. I've never come across a question like this, but it's just checking that what values you have been given For example, question 1A, your values you've been given is 1 and 5. Yeah?
Yeah.
Just checking that those values are correct.
So you sub them in, do you?
Yeah. So you
you
sub
put
in
5
okay,
equals 5 equals 1.
yeah, you're just checking that if I put the 1 where the x is, that it will equal what the y value is, which it does.
Oh yeah,
for that one.
which it does.
And for the next
Yeah.
one, if I just put the x value in, or you can do the y value, but the y value would be harder because you have to
1 times, yeah, so it's 5.
yeah, so it works.
Yeah.
So those ones are pretty easy. Did you want to do all of them? Is that what you have to do?
So what does it want? So it wants to show working out. There's still a couple of them.
So the working out would just be what you do on your
Yeah, so
calculator.
you write